Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a new Instagram Reel software. This software is called MassReel Domination. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will show you today. At first I will show you what is MassReel Domination Software. Who is founder this software? What they can provide. MassReel Domination Software pricing. MassReel Domination pros and cons. Is MassReel Domination Reel software perfect for you? And finally, I will show you how you can get bonus offer. So guys, let's get started. So guys, what is MassReel Domination Software? MassReel Domination Software is a secret sauce technology. Okay, when you use this software, you can easily create your hundred of hyper addictive Instagram reel with your page just a few minutes, and you can easily grow your reach, follower, traffic, and sales fast. Guys, we know social media is dead. If you don't increase your reach, follower, traffic, or sale on your social media, this software is perfect for you because you spend hours crafting the perfect post, the perfect image, the perfect caption. You give you blood, sweat, and tears to have disappear in a matter of minutes. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything reach is down, and it's happening to everyone, no matter the size of your audience or business. If you are dull, wasting your money, time, effort on stuff that does not work, then you need to Reels software. Instagram Reels is the fastest growing platform than Snapchat, YouTube Short, and even Facebook. It's the future of online video, and if you are not on this platform, you are missing out big time. Who is the founder this software? Ram Rawat created this software. He is a marketing nerd that loves to solve complicated problems, especially for online marketers. He also training 60,000 marketers worldwide. MassReel Domination features 100% cloud-based software. You don't need to install anything. You just sign up and you can access this software from anywhere on earth. As long as there is an internet connection available, you are good to go. Add a link, upload your video, or use other people's videos. If you want, you can easily edit your video or upload your video. Or if you want, you can select hundreds of videos from other people that are already proven to go viral and do well. Legally use others people's content and turn into your own. Pick from our carefully crafted DIY templates or create your own. You can easily save time and overthinking. Just select from this professionally designed template that grabs attention and force people to watch and engage with your Instagram Reels. Plus, you can also create your own templates from scratch if you want. Turn one video to 20 stunning Instagram Reels in minutes. When you use this software, they can provide creator will turn one video into 20 Instagram Reels with one click. So you can easily create hundreds of hyper addictive reel video without any wasting time. Just reels and repeat. Mass edit all video in just one click. You don't edit all video one by one. You just create it, do this follow, and then just click. You can just apply to all, and the changes will be applied to all video at once. Easy way. Give a unique touch, edit or modify video individually. Select the drop down and menu and select any video you want to edit. Make changes and click apply. That's it. Now all your video have a unique touch if you want to them. Added amazing and never seen before effects with ease. Fully customize your campaign with image, GIFs, text, elements. Just use their search function and get hundreds of creative in seconds. Design your campaign to your heart content. Added video progress bar that is fully customized. See those viral video with progress bar. They are super tailed and give you authority status. Select color, adjust height and progress bars to your video easily. You can easily edit your subtitle to your video and make sure people read and listen to your message. Upload a subtitle file or manually edit them. Effortless branding to all in one click. Add into outros to all your Instagram Reels. One click. Choose from text, image or video. Save tons and tons of time manually adding your intro, outro, image, video. They can provide easy multi-layer editing. Photoshop type multi-layer style editing, so you can design and bring in just a few clicks. You can add multiple layer edit them to perfection and achieve that professional look. Added incredible call to action CTA that get people clicking. They can provide incredible call to action CTA that get people clicking. You can easily add a powerful call to action to your video that will get people clicking through to your website and offer. Social media button, arrow, subscribe and follow button, gift, slower, try, that's and more. They can provide added description text all in one click. Maximize your reach with reels and text and description to your video so they get maximum exposure. Just write text and description for one and apply to all in one click. They can provide viral hashtag finder. Find and use the hottest hashtag for your niche and them to your reels and get more exposure. This will help you reach more people faster than ever before. Viral reels and shorts finder. Find viral Instagram reels and shorts that are already getting a lot of views and quickly create reels that you can use to drive traffic to your website and offer. Save hours of time with our built-in viral video. They can provide download option. You can easily download your video or upload them and share them anywhere you want. No restriction. You can choose to export your video in 720p or 180p quality. They can provide schedule option. You can easily schedule and auto publish your reel campaign for month of free targeted traffic and peace of mind. Imagine creating hundreds of videos using just a few videos and schedule them for months in advance. How to use this software? This software you can use just 3 steps. Step 1, enter your keyword to find viral video in your niche, add video link or upload any video. Step 2, you can just with one click this platform AI customize it and turn it into hundreds of hyper addictive Instagram Reels video. Then step 3, you can publish or schedule for months. Go viral, skyrocket your reach and generate free traffic 24 hours and 7 days. MassReel Domination Software pricing. Today this software you can get access to for a low one-time price of just $17. Free commercial license plus low one-time price. This plan they can provide hundreds of highly addictive attention grabbing Instagram Reels in minutes. Finally, even the oldest length video into highly addictive. You can convert one video into multiple up to 20 Instagram Reels in one click. This price is increasing at any time. This normal price is $97 per month, but today this price is just $17. MassReel Domination Software Pros. This software is very cheap, just $17. One-time price, cheap price and one-time payment. Pay for monthly or yearly. You can just pay one time. This software provides 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like this software, you can easily refund your money. While you use this software, you don't need a budget, no advertising, even without showing your face or without your voice, without writing lengthy script, without recording hours of content, without any editing skill, without posting nails, creepy or obscene video, without outsourcing others platform, without waiting for months, day or even hours to start getting traffic. When you are used to MassReel Domination Software, you have a lot of benefits. At first, you get a fast mover advantage and dominate your market because Reel is still new. You can get the first mover advantage and dominate your competition. Since no one else is using MassReel Domination yet, you can quickly create Instagram Reel and get a ton of traffic before they even know what's going on. Instagram, Facebook Reels and send your free traffic. So by using MassReel Domination, you can take advantage of this fact and get even more traffic from Reels and Facebook. You can get tons of traffic and sales in any niche, any language. MassReel Domination works in any niche. So no matter what your website is about, you can use MassReel Domination to get more traffic and sell. Whether you are in the make money online niche, the weight loss niche or other any niche, MassReel Domination can help you get more traffic and sales. This software is easier, faster and profitable than other traffic methods. Most traffic methods are slow, difficult and not very profitable, but with MassReel Domination, you can get traffic quickly and easily without having to spend hours trying to figure out how to rank your video. Truly set and forget system. No need to manually create or upload video each day, week or month. Just set up once and let our software work in the background. You can literally create and enter year, worth of content in just a few hours. Get result in as little as an hour from now. You don't need to wait days or week to see result. Our user they have been provide result, engagement, leads and sales in as little as hour from setting up their first campaign. While you use this software, you can easily save your lot of time, effort, because you don't need a creating or editing Instagram reels. Just select from this software library of ready-made template, edit them in second and hit publish. No stats, no paid, just result. It's suitable for complete newbie and experienced marketer alike, because when you use this, you don't need any experience or skill. Just follow their simple training and you will be able to use software to get result regardless of your experience level. Done for you traffic solution. You don't need to worry about traffic either. They will show you how to get an endless supply to target traffic so you can keep your campaign running on autopilot and get result forever. Free update in forever. They don't just give you a product and walk away. They do their best to keep improving their product. They will continue to release new features and update for free into the future. 24-hour and 7-day support. 100% uptime guarantee. Their team is always available to help. Whether you need to help finding the perfect image or video or have a question about any of their product, they are here to assist you guys. They can also many bonuses offer here. First action bonuses 1 commercial license during launch period only. This product value $197 and a fast action bonus 2 100 Instagram reels and channel list to spy on a tech inspiration. They researched and created a list of 100 profitable YouTube short channel. You can use this for inspiration and create your own and become profitable from day one. They can provide this offer. Value $97. Bonus offer 3 free Instagram traffic. They can learn how to use shorts video to grow your audience on Instagram. This guide will help you to define your audience, retail them, attract more followers, create an online store, drive traffic to your website, and avoid common mistakes. They can provide bonus for the unshakable super affiliate. As you start getting traffic with BitShort, is their secret affiliate strategy to quickly achieve your first $100 or $500 and $1,000. How to stand out and build a long-term sustainable, profitable, and unshakable online business with affiliate marketing. This product value $297, but you can get offer just free. Bonus offer 5 become a successful social media influencer. They can also teach you how to become a successful influencer and change use amount of money per post. Follow the exact steps and system other successful influencers have followed and copy it. Action bonus 3 TikTok marketing checklist. Engage your following on both YouTube and TikTok. Post your BitShort video on TikTok as well. Learn 18 TikTok best practice, 25 strategy and the best organic best practice to get faster result on TikTok. Bonus offer 7 100x YouTube advertising. 1 to 100x your result with YouTube ads. Launch a successful YouTube video campaign quickly. Learn how to reach new audience, maximize traffic and profit with YouTube advertising. Offer number 8 easy video strategy. Leverage the power of video marketing to become an online connect to your potential customer and become a powerful brand name. Enjoy brand exposure and get a competitive edge over there. Bonus offer 9 social messaging. Social media messaging apps make it easy for you to meet customer expectation while supporting your business objective. Find out how you can get started with highly engaging conversion commerce strategy. Bonus offer 10 marketing automation. Discover the top strategy used by the pros to boosting engagement across all platforms. These proven tactics will help you reach more people than ever before. Learn all about the different types of content you should be sharing in order to maximize exposure and get your brand in front of thousands of new customers. So guys, there are a lot of bonus here in this software. MassReel Domination cons. I have not found any cons in this software. There are a lot of customer review this product. Adam Barnett posted review this tool. If you are a newbie or even an experienced marketer, this is a must-have tool to get unlimited free traffic and sell. Ram is an amazing trainer and they can provide excellent support. He said, must-have tool to get unlimited free traffic and sell. Jara also said, bringing me leads and sales every day. Pritika Kapoor said, 111k view, 101k view, improved dozen of apartments. People also say this is an amazing tool. I just started using it few days back. Some of reels cross 10,000 view and already getting me sales and commission. So guys, can you imagine how this software is good? Is MassReel Domination Software perfect for you? Guys, if you are a newbie or affiliate marketer who want to increase their affiliate commission, this software is perfect for you because you can easily increase your sales. Guys, if you are a blogger or website owner who want to get more traffic and engagement, this software is perfect for you. If you are a e-commerce store owner who want to stand out from the competition, increase their sales and conversion rate, this software is perfect. Local business want to get more customer and grow their business, which is consultants, service provider. If you are author, infopreneur, creator, Instagram influencer, social media marketer, influencer, or anyone who want to make more money online, it does not matter what your goals are, MassReel Domination can help you achieve them. So guys, I will highly recommend it to purchase this software if you really want to get more sale and get traffic and make more money online. You can find this software in my description box. This software is 100% money back guarantee. If you don't like this software, you can easily refund your money. If you have any query, you can find all question in this page in the below. So guys, I hope you can easily find this software in my description box and get your copy. Guys, if you know this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So bye guys.